So here's how to change name in TikTok. Starting off, once you're in the TikTok homepage, go over to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. Here, tap on Edit Profile as shown. If you want to change your profile name, then tap on Name. Then, remove the current name and type in the new name. After that, tap on Save on the top right corner. Tap on Confirm to update the name. Before you confirm, you should also note that you can change your name once every 7 days. That means if you change your name right now, you will not be able to change it back or to a new name within the next 7 days. You have now successfully changed your TikTok profile name. And that's it. Following these simple steps, you can easily change your name on TikTok.